My name is Rita. I turn 55 this year and I work in change management. Health is important to me because it keeps me going on a daily basis. It keeps me energized and it sets my tone for the day in everything that I do. I had sustained quite a few injuries because of poor posture and poor guidance. When I started looking around for a gym, the most important criteria was attention to posture and form. Trainers here have been trained by none other than Joan and Augustine, who are stalwarts of the industry. They are so particular about how their clients progress, but at their client's own pace. This is why I have been coming here for the past 13 years, and I find that I am getting stronger and getting healthier as the years go.